at the toy clearance rack and I found this. It says here, Little People, World of Animals. And it's for like 1.5 to 5 years old. So you're going to learn about different animals. You're going to point at an animal. So it's pointing at this lion. And you're going to pull this down and see, I guess it's going to make it sound. Lion. Oh, it tells you what it was. Okay. And I want to show you a real lion, boys and girls. Can you say that with me? Lion. Again, lion. Boys and girls, can you roar like a lion? Roar. Roar. Good job. Here we're going to point at that animal. The hippo says. That's a hippo. Boys and girls, here is a real hippo. Say hippo. Again, hippo. Great job. Oh, let's go to this one. Bear. That was a bear. And here is a real bear. Can you say bear? Bear. Let's go to the next one. Can you see that one right there? Parrot says. Parrot. And here's a real parrot. Listen to a sound. Can you say parrot? Parrot. Look at this one. It's pointing at that animal. Alligator. Alligator? Boys and girls, look at the alligator. A real alligator. Can you say alligator? Alligator. Again, alligator. Now it's pointing over here. The elephant says. Elephant? Boys and girls, here is a real elephant. Say elephant. Again, elephant. You are doing a great job. I'm so proud of you. Monkey. Here is a real monkey. Say monkey. Again, monkey. Ostrich says. Ostrich. Boys and girls, and here is a real ostrich. Say ostrich. Again, ostrich. Let's say it one more time. Ostrich. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at some more animals. I'm going to turn it over. And we'll start up here. The cow says. Ooh, that was a cow. Here is a real cow. Say cow. Cow. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Again. Moo. What is that, boys and girls? Yes, a rooster. Here is a real rooster. Say rooster. Rooster. Good job. These are farm animals. Boys and girls, here is a real pig. Say pig. Pig. Say oink oink. Oink oink. Pig. Let's go to the next one. Here is a real sheep, boys and girls. Can you say sheep? Sheep. Can you bawl like a sheep? Baa. Again. Baa. We're learning a lot about farm animals. Let's go up here to this one. The turkey says. Turkey. Boys and girls, here's a real turkey. Say turkey. Turkey. Can you make the sound of a turkey? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Did you gobble, gobble, gobble? Great job. A duck. Boys and girls, can you say duck? Duck. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Here's a real goat. Say goat. Goat. Good job. And I think this is our last farm animal. A horse, yes. Boys and girls, our last real animal is a horse. Say horse. Horse. That educational toy taught you about zoo animals and farm animals. Great job.